Welcome to Smart Tech Solutions, where we simplify the world of AI and technology. Have you heard about ChatGPT but aren't quite sure what it is or how it can help? Well, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll break down everything you need to know about this powerful AI tool and how it can make your life easier. So, what exactly is ChatGPT? ChatGPT is an advanced AI language model developed by OpenAI. It's like a super smart assistant that understands and responds in human language. You can ask ChatGPT questions, get ideas, and even have it write content for you, whether it's an email, a blog post, or even a creative story. It's trained on vast amounts of text, so it learns patterns in language and responds naturally. Now, how can ChatGPT help you? It's more than just a chatbot. Here are some of its key uses. Creative writing, need ideas for a blog, post, or story. ChatGPT brainstorms for you in seconds. Research and summarizing, quickly find info or have ChatGPT summarize articles or papers. Personal assistant, need help writing emails or managing tasks? ChatGPT can draft professional emails and generate to-do lists. Coding help, for programmers, ChatGPT can generate code snippets and troubleshoot errors. Let's see how ChatGPT works in real life. Imagine you're a content creator needing fresh ideas. Simply type your topic into ChatGPT, and it will generate suggestions for you. Or if you're a student, ask it to summarize a long article or explain complex concepts in simple terms. For busy professionals, it can write and organize emails quickly, giving you more time for what matters. So, whether you're a writer, student, programmer, or someone looking to save time, ChatGPT is like having a personal assistant available 24/7. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more AI tips and tech content. And if you have questions about ChatGPT, leave them in the comments. I'd love to hear from you.